am at my favourite, and Jackson's favourite, and Naomi's favourite theme park of the UK, Paultons Park. We've been invited down by the European Coastal Club and Paultons Park for a super fans day here. There's lots of other vloggers and super fans of theme parks here today. Thank you very much for the invite, Paultons Park, and for the free tickets. Yeah, they've opened a new ride today, and a lovely little log flume, so I'll give you a view of that when we get there. Jackson's already been on it and he says it's fantastic, so here we go. So this is the new ride here, Splash Lagoon, dinosaurs. Jackson's not feeling very well. It's a 15-minute queue for a brand new ride. This is going to be looking forward to this. Yeah, see, this is the old queue line for the old ride that used to be here. There's the dino tours. I'm looking forward to this. Look how pretty it is. Dinosaurs and everything. You do get wet. It's so tidy though, isn't it? Yeah.
Because it's just open up today.
Yeah, you have special.
Yeah, but it always has done though, hasn't it? It's always been clean tidy. Little dinosaur just there, wiggling away as well.
There's two behind you.
It's crazy. Oh, there's two on there as well.
Oh, hello.
Oh my goodness. Here we go on Splash Lagoon, the new ride here at Paultons Park for 2024. You like this ride, don't you, Jackson? You had a nice day so far?
Yeah.
He's looking forward to going on Velociraptor with me later.
No.
Oh, you're not going on Velociraptor? Ah. Flight of Pterosaur then?
Yeah.
Look at it theming on this.
I know, it's really good. Well, I said, oh no, it's pretty good.
We're getting drippy wet. Give your mum a big smile. Give your mum a wave. Oh, the water jets aren't working.
Oh no, they were working earlier.
Oh. I wonder if it's going to be as wet as Valhalla. Here we go. Does it only have the one drop?
Yeah. Only one. Well, because there
Oh, he's sending them on now.
Huh?
He's sending jets on now.
Can we go on again?
We'll see. Oh, look at his dinosaur. You can see the dinosaur's eye. Look.
Hello.
Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. Oh, there's one there as well.
Let's go.
Hands in the air. Yeah. Ooh, that's cold.
I thought you'd get a sunny day.
That's actually really refreshing. That's really nice.
Can we do it again?
That's a really. I
Can we
really.
do it again?
You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Do you want to go on with Mummy this time?
Mummy doesn't like it.
She doesn't like it. Oh, I really enjoyed that. What would you give that out of 10?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Really enjoyed that. Really, really good one.
Can we go again?
We'll see.
Thank you.
Dinosaurs as well.
Yeah.
Check this reckon dinosaur.
That's a baby, Eva.
What's that, Ripper?
Eva, look at her.
Oh, you've actually got it working. Well done. Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, no worries at all.
Thank you. Yes, what do you think of dinosaurs then?
They are cute. One of them is massive. So we're going on the flight pterosaur now. And it's fun. We've been on it earlier. And we've just been on what's it called? Water lagoon. And now I'm going to pass the camera to me.
So we're just about going to fly at the pterosaur. He doesn't want to go for Velociraptor. Right, pterosaur. Jackson's looking a little bit nervous there. So here we go. Velociraptor there. Oh, it's such a great ride as well. Can't see Mum anywhere. Oh, she's hiding underneath the umbrellas. There she is. Give her a wave. She's got a camera up. Whoa! Oh, yes. It's good, isn't it? Someone's perked up a little bit. Oh, there's a nice little pull on that. You enjoyed it? Oh, that was good, wasn't it? Yeah, I enjoyed that. That's such a good ride. What were you thinking of that then, Jackson? I'm crying, am I? I think he enjoyed it. Oh, yes. That's awesome. Oh, he's sweating now. So cool. Magma. They're shot and drop tower. I think it's a great ride. They've got similar. They've got the same one at Fancy Islands, I think. Not Fancy Islands, Adventure Islands, and at Crook Drop at Chesington World Adventures. So I'm going to go on this bobsled here. The Cobra. Yeah, it's a great ride. Jackson's not feeling very well, so I'm going on solo. So I'll give you a little POV of it as well. Yes, here we go. Also down in this end of the park, I've got a disco coaster. Is it a roller coaster or not? Make up your minds. Yeah, a disco coaster there in the background. Yes, one-man operation. Such a good ride. The head chopper on this is fantastic. Who's going along? Are you sitting with anyone? Can I come on with you? He's only 7. There he is, lying down there. Whee! Oh! Such a great ride. Yeah, but those airtime hills, you're literally standing up. It's really good, but the Edge is one of the best disco coasters in the country. Yeah, that's one of the best shot and drop towers in the little shot one, the little kiddies ones. It's good fun. Yeah, so Jackson's not feeling too well. He's laying down over here in the field. You might have seen him. Yeah, Cobra, great ride. Even the garden's so well kept. Look, a little wisteria over the top of that. Planting, just crazy. Get Mummy away. Auntie Ham, someone's calling you. No, the lady behind, I think someone was calling her. Oh.
Oh my god!
Oh.
Oh my god! Oh goodness! Oh my god!
That's good, wasn't it? Ah. Right, so yeah, that's storm tracer. Come and talk about it, Jackson.
That was amazing what you just did.
What do you like about it?
That bit there when it goes in like in a circle.
It's quite intense, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That bit there is a bit intense.
Yeah, this bottom bit though, I almost greyed out.
What's green now?
Almost blacked out. So yeah, no, round there it's amazing. It's such a good ride. So smooth. So Jason's going to come on with the new ride with me.
I've already been on it.
He's already been on it. He said to me you don't get wet on it, so I haven't got to change your clothes. With us now. Look, the lad. We're going to be down with that lot soon.
Oh my.
Give him a wave. I can see my car. Got a screamer. It's not spinning yet. Here we go. They're spinning. Oh, that's good, isn't it? Oh, that was really good. She spent my whole film then